Hello beauties, thanks so much for clicking. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a wig with fringe, and this tutorial is very simple, beginner friendly. Like if you've never made a wig before, then this tutorial is for you. Very simple. So I'm first of all going to wrap my block with this paper wrap because I don't want the glue to get to my canvas. I'll be using glue for this tutorial. This is the hair that I'm going to use. It's called Wonderful. One pack is enough. Like, this hair is so full. I love how full the bundles are, but I didn't use the 3 bundles. It has 20, 18 and 16 inches, but I only used 20 and 18. This is one bundle and you can see how long it is. This is the glue that I'm going to use. Okay, there are different brands for this glue, but I always prefer this Lanelle because it's kind of perfumed. But this other one, they smell like ammonia, so I always prefer the Lanelle one. So if you get the Lanelle one, just go for it. The next step is to apply the glue on the tracks and glue them down on the cap. So I really want this tutorial to be beginner friendly, and especially if you don't own like a blow dry or you don't have on anything that can dry the glue faster. So you can just apply the glue on the tracks and then pin them down on the cap as you continue gluing them down instead of using blow dry. The reason why I use blow dry is just to quicken up the process of the glue drying, but then you really don't have to use a blow dry if you don't have one. So guys, you can see I'm almost done, but then I have like 2 more bundles left. Like, this is how full this hair is. Glue the hair in a circle until you cover that space in the middle and make sure it looks natural. This is the bundle that is left, and I didn't want my hair to be so full, so I'll just work with the 2 bundles. I think this is okay. And then also, if you don't want the bangs, you can just style this hair like this. cut the bangs, just make sure you try the wig on and know like exactly where you're supposed to cut, because when it's on the dummy it can be so confusing. You might cut it low or too high, so just make sure you try it on before you cut the bangs. So right now I'm just trying to like shape it. Can you actually wear this wig like this without like styling the bangs? Because you know we want this tutorial to be beginner friendly. Like what if you don't have like a blow dry, you don't have a flat iron, so you can just wear the wig like that without blow drying, without flat ironing the bangs. So I'm going to just make it straight and then flat iron the bangs. Guys, I just want you to comment down below if you love this style, and also if you love the, you know, the color.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
So the bangs look like they're going to be on my face, but then the dummy is so small, the size of the dummy is small, that's why like you see it's all on the eyes, but then it's going to be like on my eyebrows. So that was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
My heart rages around like an ocean.